Introduction to spectroscopy. What is spectroscopy? The study of structure and properties of atoms and molecules by means of spectral information obtained from the interaction of electromagnetic radiant energy with matter. It is based on which a main class of instrumental analysis and methods is developed and widely used in many areas of modern science. What is to be discussed? Theoretical background of spectroscopy, types of spectroscopy and their working principles in brief, major components of common spectroscopic instruments, application in chemistry, related areas and some examples. Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation EMR. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy wave particle duality of electromagnetic radiation wave nature expressed in terms of frequency, wavelength and velocity. Particle nature expressed in terms of individual photon, discrete packet of energy. When expressing energy carried by a photon, we need to know its frequency. Characteristics of wave. Frequency mu, number of oscillation per unit time, unit is hertz cycle per second. Velocity c, the speed of propagation for EMR. C is equal to 2.9979 multiply 10 to the power raised to 8 meter per second in vacuum. Wavelength lambda, the distance between adjacent crust of the wave. Wave number of waves per unit distance. The energy carried by an EMR or a photon is directly proportional to the frequency, where h is the Planck's constant. Its value is 6.6256 multiply 10 to the power raised to negative 34 joule second. Electromagnetic radiation. X-ray, light, infrared, microwave and microwaves are all EMR, difference being their frequency, thus the amount of energy they possess. Spectral region of EMR. Interaction of EMR with matter. Interaction of electromagnetic radiant with matter. The wavelength lambda and the wave number nu of EMR are changes with the medium it travels through because of the reflective index of the medium. The frequency mu, however, remains unchanged. Types of interaction: absorption, reflection, transmission, scattering, diffraction. Each interaction can disclose certain properties of matter when applying EMR of different frequency, thus the energy that EMR carried different type information can be obtained. Spectrum. Spectrum is the display of the energy level of EMR as a function of wave number of electromagnetic radiation energy. The energy level of EMR is usually expressed in one of these terms: absorbance, EMR being absorbed; transmission, EMR pass through; intensity. The term intensity has the meaning of the radiant power that carried by an EMR. Spectrum. When spectrum tells, what and spectrum tells, एक spectrum जो है वो हमें क्या बताता है? A peak, it can only be valid depending on how the spectrum is constructed, represents the absorption or emission of EMR at that specific wave number. The wave number at the tip of peak is the most important, especially when a peak is broad. A broad peak may sometimes consist of several peaks partially overlap each other. Mathematics software usually supplied must be used to separate them in case of a broad peak observed. The height of a peak corresponds the amount absorption emission, thus can be used as quantitative information. Concentration, a careful calibration is usually required. The ratio in intensity of different peaks does not necessarily mean the ratio of the quantity or concentration. Spectral properties, applications and interactions of electromagnetic radiation. Energy, wavelength, wave number, frequency, types of radiation, types of spectroscopy, types of quantum radiation. Gamma rays emission, X-ray absorption emission, electronic inner shell, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave, radio. Types of radiation ये gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave and radio wave. Example: a laser emits light with a frequency of 4.69 multiplied 10 to the power raised to 14 per second. H is Planck's constant is 6.63 multiplied 10 to the power raised to negative 34 joule second. What is the energy of one photon of radiation from this laser if the laser emits 1.3 multiplied 10 to the power raised to negative 2 joule during a pulse? How many photons are emitted during the pulse? Number of photon, energy of photon. The brilliant red colors seen in fireworks are due to emission of red light at a wavelength of 650 nanometer. What is the energy of one photon of this light? Compare the energies of photons emitted by two radio stations separating at 92 megahertz FM and